In today's video, I am going to teach you how to find trending music on Instagram in Hootsuite. If you create content, manage a brand, or simply want to stay current with what people are listening to, finding trending audio quickly can save you a lot of time. In this walkthrough, I will guide you through using Hootsuite to spot Instagram music trends based on conversation signals and engagement. First, sign in to Hootsuite. When you open Hootsuite, look for the sign-in area, enter your account credentials, and complete any sign-in prompt that appears. Once you are signed in, you should land on your main dashboard or the area where your social tools are organized. Take a moment to make sure you are in the correct workspace because this helps ensure your searches and insights are accurate for the account you want to analyze. Next, select Lumen. You may see it as a feature or module inside Hootsuite. Click or tap Lumen so you can access the analytics and discovery tools designed to help you monitor topics and trends. This step matters because Lumen is where you can set up focused searches and review meaningful insights without manually scanning social media. Now click Searches. After you select Lumen, look for the option labeled Searches, usually near the top navigation or within the Lumen interface. Clicking Searches will bring you to the section where you can create or run search queries. This is the place where you define what to look for, such as specific music keywords, song titles, or audio formats that are appearing across Instagram. Next, enter Instagram music keywords, song names, or audio trends. In the search field, you will type terms that represent the type of music you want to find. This can include the name of a song, an artist name, a phrase that appears in audio captions, or a trend-related keyword. If you are not sure what to try first, start with broad music-related terms, then narrow down based on what you see in the results. As you type, pay attention to how the search terms influence the results, since that will determine what conversations and posts show up in your feed. After you enter your keywords, apply filters for Instagram mentions and engagement. Filters help you focus your search on the signals that matter most. Look for filter options that specifically relate to Instagram mentions and also options that allow you to consider engagement, such as likes, comments, shares, or other interaction metrics. Applying these filters is important because it reduces noise and brings you closer to the audio that is gaining traction right now. Then select Apply. This runs the filters and refreshes the search results based on your criteria. While it loads, you may see the interface update with new counts, ranked results, or conversation streams. Wait until the latest data has finished loading so you are reviewing current information, not an older snapshot. Finally, review trending music conversations and insights. Once the results appear, look for the signals that indicate the audio is gaining momentum. Focus on what is being mentioned alongside your terms, what posts are getting strong engagement, and any insights the platform highlights as notable or rising. These insights can help you understand which songs or audio trends are resonating with audiences on Instagram, and they also help you decide what to use in your next reel or content idea. Take a moment to scan the conversation patterns, because consistent mentions and higher interaction often point to real momentum rather than a one-time spike. When you have reviewed enough to identify the most promising tracks, you can save your findings mentally for content planning or use the same search setup to refine future searches. And that covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.